Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am gonna be doing my nails and trying out this gel polish. This is from the brand Joytii or Joytii or Joytii. I don't really know how to read this, but this is the box. I got this on Amazon and it was $9, and they have a lot of choices of colors that perfect for your mood. And here's the inside of the box. It has 7 gel polish colors and 1 matte top coat. Also comes with this useless rewards that I tried to redeem. And also, of course, the guide and steps to follow if you don't know what you're doing like me. So here is the nail polish, and yeah, let's try how it turns out. I already cleaned up my nails just to save some time, and since that this box don't have a base coat, so I am gonna be using the base coat that I have from MODELONES. So I'm just gonna get some cotton pads and spread some alcohol in it, and just to get rid of that excess oil from in your nails. And since we are using gel polish, we're also gonna need a UV light for curing the nails, because it's gel and it takes a lot of time to dry out if you're just gonna let it air dry. So we're gonna apply our base coat. And then I put it under the UV light for 90 seconds or until the base coat is dry. And here is how the texture of the gel polish is. It's not too thick. And now we're gonna apply our first coat of the color polish. I like that this product don't really have that strong scent, and that's a good one. And also make sure you apply this product smooth and even, and also to wipe off the mess that you make before you curing it, or else you're gonna have a problem removing it later when you're done. And yeah, it applies to the nails very smooth and not clumpy. So I'm just gonna finish applying it to all of my nails and cleaning the edges at the same time before curing it. And right after that, go ahead and cure it as the instruction says, but mine, I cured it for about 90 seconds. And if it gets hot, you can just move far away your light or your nails and take it a rest and then put it back in, because yeah, it gets really hot. Wow, it's shiny and smooth. And now let's go ahead and add the second coat. Gonna try it again. Okay, that's pretty much dry. Now let's get our matte top coat. and then we're gonna cure it for the last time. And you may feel it getting hot because of the layer that we put onto our nails, so you may move your light far away to your nails and give it a rest and then put it back on so you don't burn yourself. So here it is. It's pretty much dry. Wow. And it's also smooth. I like it. It's not that bad for $9, and the color is really right there. It's not so sure. So right here I'm just gonna be doing the same thing what I did for the other hand, and I'm just gonna fast forward it. So here what it looks like into a darker color. You can still see that it's kind of sheer when the first layer, the first coat of the gel polish. It's pretty sheer, pretty thin, and also it's glossy. So if you wanna just leave it right there, I think you can, because it's still pretty, you know. And then we're just gonna do the second coat again. So here it's what it looks like when you apply the second coat. The color is more opaque, and remember in the first layer it was sheer, and now when you apply the second coat it's more opaque and it show off the color of the nail polish. And also I think that is why they don't add a glossy top coat into the box, because it doesn't really need one. After you cure the second layer, it's so glossy and the color show off, and you can leave it just like that. But wow, it's smooth and I like this. I really like this product. I'm surprised. I thought it was just gonna be like a regular polish. So I guess if you will just keep layering it up more than 2 layers, 5 layers, it will look like an acrylic nails. So here's a comparison between the one without the matte top coat. So you can see it's glossy and the other one looks so matte. And yeah, either one is good. If you prepare to be glossy, you can just apply the gel and then cure it. And the other one, if you prefer matte, you can add a matte top coat. But both of them, either one of them looks good and smooth. So here is the finished look of this Joytii Gel Polish, and the bottle itself has 8 ml, and you will get 7 colored nail polish and 1 top coat. They also have other choices of color, depends on what you want. And also I just wish that the box comes with a base coat, because I like applying base coat before I applied colored nail polish into my nails. But other than that, everything is good for me. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video and maybe you'll give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and also hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I have a new upload. I do videos about makeups, DIYs sometimes, and some nails that I like to try on. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next one. Bye bye.